SkyALERT Weather with Chief Meteorologist Gary Frank.
As we sit here on February 3rd, a lot cooler than we've been through January. One wonders, what was it in January? Average temperature. I had a lot of people come up to me and say, my goodness, this winter has been so warm, and it was actually tied for the second warmest. So you were absolutely right. Our average sat at about 70, and we usually get about 1/4 of an inch of rain, and we only saw a trace. And so it was below average rain-wise and above average as according to temperatures. Right now, Adam in Ocotillo, 60 degrees is what he reported in his backyard. Welton, 63. Calexico, 64. If you would like to let me know the weather in your backyard, as you see, I only have about 5 reporting stations that are available, and of course we got a lot of other areas. 13eyeonweather.com is all you got to do. Go there, sign up, and post your temperature in your backyard, and well, I'll be able to let you know and maybe give you a shout out on the air as well. Now, as we look at our currents throughout the area, those reporting stations that I mentioned, the airport in Blythe, 62, 64 at Imperial County Airport, 63 at the Naval Air Force Base, MCAS Yuma, 63, and the airport in Mexicali, 64. We're seeing just a couple degrees warmer right now throughout the area, but our dew points match in the 30s as we've seen a little bit of a surge of moisture come up. Winds pretty light. They'll stay that way, maybe even get a little lighter as we go throughout the rest of the evening. Clearer skies, just a few high passing clouds, and it'll stay that way throughout the rest of the evening. 58 to 64, and you know what, you're going to need a sweater. It's going to be one of those sweater weather kind of days, and we'll see a lot of more duplicates as we move forward throughout the next several. 44, 65, 68 are your days round up tomorrow. Much sunnier, light winds as well. We'll see 63 at noon and then 68 by 4 p.m. Just a very beautiful day yet again, but below average. Here's that rainfall that some areas saw passing out, more isolated to the higher elevations. In some areas, we saw a sprinkle in Imperial Valley overnight, and precision cast showing that clear skies will rule much of the land. We'll see a few clouds, mostly high clouds, paint the area, but for the most part, the next couple days will be the clear ones of the next 7 as we see more clouds build in. Here's that first storm system digging south yet again. Now this is more of a winter pattern. We saw for so long all the storms split us, but now we're starting to see a little bit more of a north to south flow and seeing some storms pass to our area. Future temperatures showing why. Jet stream dropped further south for a change. We don't have that high blocking. And as we look towards Friday and Saturday, we see another push of some cooler air. And as it does so, we're going to see our temps push down just a little bit. 70 is what we'll rebound to on Wednesday, even Thursday at 72. Breezy on Friday, 68 degrees as that storm pushes. It looks to be dry, but just bringing in a few clouds. As we hit the rodeo, 67 degrees for Saturday and Sunday, but it's going to be a little chillier, especially if you're on the grandstand side that's not in the sun. You'll want to wear something a little bit warmer, and Imperial Valley will start off much chillier than we have been, but all in all, nice to see 7 days below average, Stephen Manoa.
All right.